Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify with CJ Dropshipping step by step. So this is a simple process that allows you to link your Shopify store directly with your CJ Dropshipping account. So to begin, I want you to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are there, go to the app section from the left-hand menu, and from here search for CJ Dropshipping and open the app from the search results. And then this will take you to the CJ Dropshipping page in the Shopify App Store. Next, click the install button to add CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify. Next, click the install button to add CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. Follow the instructions shown on the screen and allow the required permissions to continue with the installation. And after the app is installed, you'll be taken to the CJ Dropshipping website. And if you're asked to log in, simply sign into your CJ Dropshipping account. And if you have already logged into a CJ Dropshipping account before, you may automatically see the authorization page instead. So on this page, confirm the CJ Dropshipping account that you want to connect. Then read and agree to the store authorization agreement by selecting the checkbox at the bottom. After that, click authorize and simply follow the remaining on-screen steps. And once the authorization is complete, your Shopify store will be connected to CJ Dropshipping and you are done. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.